Good afternoon, student. Welcome to Learning World of Second Term. Chapter 1, The Temperate Grassland. Class, please recall about the topic evergreen forest and tropical monsoon forest, which we have read in first term. Here, forests are tall and dense in the evergreen forest because of two factors. First, one because of plenty of heat and second due to plenty of rain. This is the reason why evergreen forests are green throughout the year. But in temperate grassland, the conditions are different, and all that we will learn in this chapter. The very first topic, we are going to learn about the location of temperate grassland. Temperate grasslands are in the interior region where it does not rain much, and the rain-bearing winds do not reach there. So the region is almost treeless, and we can find only grasses. Students, let's see the map where the grasslands are located. They are all in the interior of the continents. So students, can you please tell me what kind of climate will they have? Yes, students, summers are very hot and winter here can become freezing cold. Now, we will learn different names of grassland in different continents. In South America, the grasslands are known as pampas. North America, these grasslands are called as prairies. In Ukraine and Siberia, the grasslands are called steppes. And veld is the name given by the South Africa. South Africa called the grassland area as a veld. In Australia, grasslands are called as downs. Here we have seen some names of the grasslands which are used by the different continents. Now students, let's move towards the next slide, that is climate. Here we have a conditional climate. Students, can you tell me what kind of climate will grasslands have? Moderate or extreme? In previous slide, I have explained that summers are hot and winter are very cold, especially in prairies and the steppes. As we know, rain-bearing winds do not reach them. They are plains in the interior of the continents in the temperate region where rainfall is very low. In winter, the temperature goes below freezing point and it snows. And this is only the region why there we can see very less trees, or we can see the grasslands are treeless. Only grasses are there. The next slide, we will move toward the vegetation. As before only I have explained that due to less rainfall and high temperature in summer and very cold in winter, the vegetations are not done rapidly in these regions. In the region, vegetation is short grass, but the soil is fertile. So some kinds of crops are grown here, like wheat. Wheat is suitable for this climate. Next, we will learn about the wildlife of the grasslands. The prairies once used to be the grazing ground of bisons, but when the European settlers came, the bisons were either devoured or killed. Only a few remain now, and they are prairie dogs. This Parari dog looks like a squirrel. Actually, it's not a dog, but it is a squirrel which is given name, or in that area they call the squirrel as a Parari dog. Next animal we can find there is a Bactrian camel. Usually we have seen camel with a one hump, but here in this grasslands we can see camel with a two hump. It is known as Bactrian camel. Third one is the antelope. It is a species like a deer. Wild asses, wild horses, and wolves. These are some of the animals found in this region. Now, let's know about the human occupation of this region. In Pampas, the main occupation is agriculture and cattle farming. In Downs, agriculture, milk cattle, and dairy products. This is the main occupation in the Downs. Occupation of Pararis are agriculture or wheat cultivation, maize, corn, and animal farming or cattle farming. This is the main occupation in Pararis. Steppes, they cultivate wheat. Steppes is famous for wheat cultivation. Veld are famous for maize cultivation. Here in this region we can find maize. So students, hope you have understand the chapter, and we came to know that the main occupation of the temperate grassland in cattle farming and wheat, maize and corn. Thank you.